Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for hitting that play button. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day out there. Today on the channel, guys, we finally made it. We're here at Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I'm standing in front of the offices for the assembly plant. Guys, I'm hoping in the parking lot they have a Grand Sport over here so we can take a look at really quick. I have a sneaking suspicion that there probably is a Grand Sport over here. But all these cars are probably CTF vehicles. These are the cars that the actual lucky Chevrolet employees get to drive as their daily vehicles every day. So let's get into it. All right, guys. First up, looks like we have a black, looks like Grand Sport right here. Nice. Wow, C7 Grand Sport to be exact. Looking good, wow. Next up we have, yes guys, a C8 Grand Sport in competition yellow. And it's a hardtop convertible. This, you guys know I love my yellow cars. This is an amazing spec. So let's do a quick walk around of this one. Oh my God, this is an amazing looking car, dude. Chevrolet killed it. Wow. So starting up front with this one, you have the huge carbon flash front splitter, carbon flash Corvette cross flags. You got the carbon flash hood stinger. You got these black, gorgeous black forged wheels. This car is equipped with the carbon ceramic brake package, huge yellow calipers. Got the carbon flash side skirt, carbon flash right here on the inlet. Take a look at the Grand Sport badging. And then you have the carbon flash hash marks here on the rear fender. Check out the rear and check that out, guys. They have the center Essing exhaust for the Grand Sport. It is freaking amazing. I love that they actually brought that back for the Grand Sport. And I think they might be doing it for the standard Stingrays as well as an option. We'll have to wait and see if they actually do that for the 2027 model year. But yeah, looking up here, you got the carbon flash A-pillars, carbon flash roof, and carbon flash the sails. Man, this hardtop convertible looks absolutely amazing. We have a Grand Sport, guys. I can't really tell. Looks like it's the black interior with the yellow stitching, yellow seat belts. Man, amazing. And next up, guys, we have a orange C8 Grand Sport. This is an amazing spec as well. I love how they're doing the specs on these cars. They have the actual calibers matching the exterior of the car. Wow. Do a quick walk around of this one. Carbon flash front splitter, carbon flash on the hood, black wheels. This car is equipped with the carbon ceramic brake package as well. It has the orange calipers, but this has a different type of side skirt. You guys can see that, check that out. It's in carbon flash as well, body colored there. It has a racing stripe going all the way back, but this is a coupe. Let's take a look at the engine cover. Nice, wow, look at that. And guys, this car is equipped with the new small block Chevrolet engine, 6.7 liter LS6 motor. Wow, amazing, amazing car. Anyway, you have the carbon flash right here on the inlet. Take a look at that Grand Sport badging again. Black wheels, you got your carbon flash hash marks right here. Nice spoiler. But this one has the side Essing exhaust. See, that's crazy, guys. See that? So this is a Grand Sport, but it has the side Essing exhaust on this one. Versus the competition yellow car has the center Essing exhaust. See? Check that out. So it might be just an option for the Grand Sports and not the actual Stingrays for 2027. Nice. Wow. And next up, we check this out. We have this gorgeous C2 Corvette. And this car looks amazing as well. Wow. Gorgeous car. Now this is the daily right here. Wow, a lot of aftermarket bits on this one. Next up we have a white C8 Grand Sport right here. Great spec on this one as well. Carbon flash front splitter, carbon flash hood stinger, carbon flash side skirt. Wow. Actually, this has a blue. Oh, I love this blue, guys. Actually, this is a blue hood stinger going all the way back. Wow. I love that blue on the white. It looks amazing. Black wheels, red caliper, carbon ceramic brake package, nice side skirt, carbon flash right there. You got the Grand Sport badging again right there. This is a hardtop convertible. It has the red hash marks, check that out. And it has the black tip center exiting exhaust on this one. I like this. This is pretty cool, dude. This is pretty cool. It's like the opposite of the Admiral blue in the traditional Grand Sport color scheme. Wow, I like this, guys. Red, white, and blue. Man, I like that. Have a C7 Grand Sport right here. And this is the one. This is my spec right here, guys. Check that out. We have the traditional Admiral blue. This is the one I was talking about. But now we have it on the new 2027 C8 Grand Sport. Wow. Gotta do a walk around of this one. Oh my God. Insane. Woo-hoo-hoo. I hope you guys are loving this. If you are, please do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel, guys. It really helps me out. Hit that like button so it'll get pushed out to more viewers. Wow. So starting up front with this one, it has the white racing stripe going all the way back. It has the carbon fiber, guys. Carbon fiber front splitter. Nice. It has the exposed carbon fiber wheels. This car is equipped with the carbon ceramic brake package as well. Huge red Brembo calipers. Carbon fiber side skirt, body colored right there, and body colored right here, guys, on the inlet. Take a look at that Grand Sport badging on this one. I like the different colors as well that you can get for the Grand Sport badge. I like that. You have the traditional red hash marks. I like how they moved it to the rear instead of the front, like the C7s and the front engine cars as well. Because the engine was in the front, on the front engine cars, they had the hash marks on the front. And I like how they changed it because now this is a mid-engine. The engine is in the rear, so why not add the hash marks on the rear of the vehicle? I really like that. I really like that. Let's walk around to the back. It has the black tip center exiting exhaust on this one. And it is a hardtop convertible. I love the interior. It has that Santorini blue interior, guys. Wow. Gorgeous spec. Check that out. Oh, it's got red stitching. GT2 seats. Grand Sport down there on the bottom of the steering wheel. Oh, I'm in love. I think I'm in love, guys. Wow. Okay, let's walk over here to the other side of the parking lot. It looks like we have a C7 there. We have a gorgeous blue C5 Corvette. We have a, looks like that's a gray C6. Wow, looks nice. So you got your white Grand Sport there. You have this blue C5, nice. And like I said before, you have this gorgeous gray C6. I like this too, I like that. You have a silver C5 Corvette right here. And check this out. We have, looks like a pace car. 79 Indianapolis 500, May 25th, 1995, guys. C4 pace car. And it's a convertible. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. This is nice. Wow. Pretty cool, guys. Wow. What a nice looking car. All right, guys, let's walk up here to the front. Let's see what they actually have on display at the GM Bowling Green assembly plant. See what they have up here. This one is a, looks like black, or is that carbon flash metallic? Looks like it's black, guys. Yeah, it looks like a blacked out C8 Z06. Wow, nice. What a gorgeous car. Pretty cool. And we have the traditional, cannot go wrong, C8 Stingray. Love it, love it. And I love these wheels. Love these wheels, guys. I love it. Nice. Wow. Freaking amazing. Give you guys a quick pan. Check that out. Bowling Green Assembly Plant, American flag. That's what I'm talking about. POW, baby. The UAW flag up there. You got all of your Grand Sports there. Other Corvettes over there. Really, really nice. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We have more to come. We're going to be here for, I think, about 3 days. So while we're here, I'm going to get a lot of footage for you guys. So stay tuned to the channel. More to come. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Hey, do me a favor. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And make sure you hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new content. Let's get to the next video over there at the museum. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Nice. That's what I'm talking about, bro. ZR1. That is freaking nuts. Wow, guys.